Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC, a machine built for gamers who want high frame rates, smooth performance, and the ability to handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Before we jump in, make sure to check the link below to grab this beast today at the best discounted price available. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's start with the core specs. This system is powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F, a 20-core, 28-thread processor with a base clock of 2.1 GHz and turbo boost that easily pushes into the high GHz range when you need extra power. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple demanding apps at once, this CPU delivers serious performance without breaking a sweat. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T with 16GB VRAM is the star of the show. With that much video memory, you're ready for high-resolution textures, 1440p and 4K gaming, ray tracing, and AI-powered DLSS for ultra-smooth gameplay. It's also perfect for VR, delivering immersive experiences with the frame rates you need to avoid motion sickness and keep things buttery smooth. Backing that up is 16GB of DDR5 RAM, giving you fast, responsive performance and plenty of headroom for modern games and multitasking. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures lightning-fast load times, near-instant boot-ups, and more than enough storage for your favorite AAA titles, work files, and media. One thing I love about CyberPowerPC builds is the attention to detail. This PC comes with Wi-Fi built in, so you're ready for online gaming right out of the box. And of course, you're running Windows 11 Home, so you'll have access to the latest gaming features like direct storage and auto HDR. The design is also on point, a sleek mid-tower case with customizable RGB lighting, a tempered glass side panel to show off your hardware, and excellent airflow to keep everything cool during those long gaming sessions. If you're a gamer looking for a future-ready system that can handle VR, high-resolution gaming, streaming, and creative workloads, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is an easy recommendation. And remember, the link below will take you to the best deal available right now. Don't wait too long, these gaming rigs move fast.